Hi, I'm Nick Coman with Dragonfly Creative, and today we're going to be talking about fusible knit interfacing. This is a short little tip, and it's all about fusible knit interfacing. We know we love the stuff. It's absolutely wonderful, and they've done some amazing things with it in the recent past. Now it comes in wider pieces, up to 60 inches, so that you can actually block fuse things. But the tip I have today is that I always keep a number of strips pre-cut in my studio. I cut them at 2 inches, an inch, and an inch and a half. If I have something special for a specific project, I'll keep them cut at a different or a specific width, like maybe a 3-inch for a very deep hem. But I love keeping these cut because what I do is I use them for interfacing on hems, I'll use them on vents, I'll use them on pockets, use them for shoulder taping. It's absolutely wonderful, indispensable stuff. So get busy, cut yourself some strips of fusible knit interfacing and go. Thanks for watching. This is Nick Coman with Dragonfly Creative.